What is this? What is this? Oh. So we have a leaderboard and we have a my results. So in leaderboard, test 0 results. Don't like how we got the unique ID though. What if we do about the slug? What if we do slug? And then how about that? And then in the leaderboard, actually, will that just work? Nope. In the leaderboard, going to get path from URL. Type is going to be number. We're going to get do search for skill test section where slug is equal to URL path segment as list text last item, first item. Yeah. Oh. Hey. My cat was being mean to the other cat. When path is leaderboard, we do this one. Still not working. Oh, I know why. Maybe. Okay. Maybe I don't know why. No, I want skill test. Buddy, leave her alone. Why are you meowing so much? Index level, level num, modified date. Oh. Slug 1. Oh, I don't want this. I want parent groups, blah, blah, blah. There we go, that should work. Perfect. Now the URL looks a lot prettier. Okay. So now we need make that 50. Max with 1280. Shouldn't need it because that's max with 1280, so let's not even worry about it. Repeating group, skill, test section, results. We want to make this a skill test, leaderboard of skill test. Nothing separating them. you search for skill test skill test section equals parent group skill test section. We're gonna say completed equals yes. I'm gonna say passed equals yes. Sort by total time spent. Descending is no. Item until number 50. I will say 25. You have a lot of space being taken right here. Doesn't say who did it. This is my results. Got it. I'll copy the expression, make another repeating group. No. How do I make this? How do I make this unique users? Can I not do it? Oh yeah, there's nothing in it. I guess I wouldn't even see it. How can I make this unique users? Maybe I should have a high scores card. See, this one makes sense. Before we do anything, let's chat GPT it and see if it comes up with a solution. I have a skill test section, and I have a skill test data point where skill test is the user's attempt at the test, and the skill test has the variables as multiple variables, of which include the skill test section, the user, and the total time spent. I want to create a leaderboard where users can see the best times minimum times that people have done in a section, but I only want users to appear once. So let's just leave it at that. Grouped by user, total time, min. Okay, I forgot group by existed. Grouped by user, exact. We want the min of total time spent. Sorted by min of total time sending. Sorted by min of total time spent. Descending is no. Current cells user name, current cells min total time. Or I could do a cached best time table. Okay, so we want time used, correct quantity, and the date that they did it. Doesn't look like I can get a date. Okay, let's see what we got. We want a profile picture round. Data source is going to be current cells grouping user. Okay, and this is going to be $40 by $40. And this is going to stretch rows to fill vertical space. Where's my stretch rows to fill horizontal space? Guess I don't need to do that. Okay, so let's group this in a row container. This row container is going to be group skill section leaderboard cell. I can do group cell that. Okay, this is going to stretch the entire way. Okay. Okay. The margins top and bottom is going to be nothing. And let's actually add a separator solid. It's going to be 1 pixel. This is going to be solid black at 50%. I'll do 30%. Okay, so we've got the profile picture. Now we want the text. Parent groups, grouping, user, username. We're going to put these two in a row. I'm going to separate them by 4 pixels. Okay, and then we're going to do, I was going to make this max width 600 because it doesn't need to be that wide, right? Then we're going to do times. This is going to be parent groups grouping min total time spent divided by 1000, formatted as 1 decimal place. And then we're going to put an S for seconds. Going to center, make last. And for the cell, we're going to do default colored layer 2. And do 4, 4, and this is going to be 8, 8, 8, 8. Actually, I'm not going to do 4, 4. We're going to do 0, 0. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, we're going to say filtered user isn't empty. User how do I get their username? Maybe that's good enough. And we'll say items until number, actually in the repeating group, we'll make pages. Set fixed number of rows. $25. Show partial list on last page if needed. Max height is going to be 600. Let's do 400. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's do a heading 3. Maybe heading 4. What is this layout? Man height 600. Oh, this should be okay. Why is the user empty? User isn't empty. User is not equal to, do search for user where username is empty. I'm going to say is not in, isn't in search for users. Still? There's no username. Username. Equal to arbitrary text is going to be nothing. When does this show up? Oh. They don't have a unique ID. I can work with that. Oh, come on. How do I get rid of these empty users? This worked. Now, how do I filter out old user accounts that are no longer active? Bubble. Yeah. That would require every single user to hit a is active element on their user thing. Would also require a timer on. No. This does not filter out accounts. Where the user doesn't was created recently but never logged in or never signed up and their username is, or their unique ID is nothing. I tried to filter out username equals not equal empty and unique ID is not equal to empty, but for some reason it didn't work even though there is nothing for either field. Isn't empty. Email contains arbitrary text. Means I should have signed up with an email. There we go. It got rid of it. The email thing did the trick, I think. I don't know why the unique ID didn't, but email certainly did. Weird. Why is this getting covered up? There's no negative margin. No negative padding. What in the world? Oh, okay, that was because I had something down here selected. Okay, that's fine. Okay, 14.6 seconds on test 0 results. Oh, that took a second to load. Okay. I'm lagging a bit, I think. Okay, so this is the user card. We want we could make it so you can click on it. It doesn't seem necessary. Let's also get rid of the rounded corners. I don't think that looks good. But on the repeating group, we are going to add roundness 5 for the whole group. Cool. Okay, set fixed number of rows. Show partial list on last page if needed. You would think the roundness 5 would also round the bottom, but it's not. So let's put a background color on it and see what we're working with. No, it's only that tall. Oh, there's a gap right here. Why is there a gap right there? Min height 50. Min height 50. Bit height to content. Is it this? Is it the solid whatever? It was. Okay, interesting. In that case, let's get rid of the background color that we were using for testing. Maybe we can color these different somehow. No, because we have so many conditionals for themes. I could do when Maybe not a win, maybe just an always. Order style bottom solid. Black at 30%. Maybe that'll be okay. Maybe I need a white. White at 30%. That'll give us a nice gray, I think.